So I don't know when the last time I've taken a moment to take care of her, clean her.
Yeah.
So the flooring.
It's actually not that bad.
Okay.
Yeah. Believe it or not.
I took out the excess stuff.
Yeah, it's not. It's gonna be nice when we're finished.
Seats. She needs a cover so that her hair is not all over my seats.
What's the most important part to the detail today for you?
The floors. The seats. It looks like the dust. I'm sure there's a lot of this. Important part. The outside. Just
the outside.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, we're gonna get you hooked up.
All righty.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. She looks so clean.
Good.
Mommy still got that soda can underneath that seat. That was from Tinder.
We got it. We got it for you.
Listen, I live in my car.
It meets your standard?
Yes.
Okay, good.